So if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp community, join me on this video. I will be teaching you on how you can create your WhatsApp community. Let's go. So when you open your WhatsApp, you look down on this icon side, you will see chat, you will see update, community and calls. Then you click on that community, click on your community, you will see new community. Click on that plus icon. When you click on plus icon, it's going to open your get started. Then you click on get started. You will see community name. This is where you will put the name of your community, the name you want to give your community. Now let me put my community name. I will use creators supporting creators. So then here is a description for your community. If you have any description, you can paste it here. You can edit this one and put your own. Then if you look here, you will see 105 over 2048 words. So this is the amount of words it can contain. Then after everything, you click on this icon here. When you click on this icon, it's going to create your community for you. So this is my community now. On this community, it's showing me two groups. So after creating your community, on this page, you can see add group. So if you have any existing group, you can add them from here. You click on this add group icon. So this place, you can see create a new group. If you want to create a new group, you click on create a new group. Then if you have an existing group, you click on create existing group. Let me add from the group I have. So I'm going to add from this one. So this content viral monetization, I have added it to this group. You click on add to community. So the group have now appeared on this community. So this is how you can create your community on WhatsApp. From here, you can still add other groups if you have. All right, I hope you understand this WhatsApp community and how to create it. If you have any question, you can share on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.